Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll talk about how you can install Anaconda and Visual Studio Code in Windows. Now what is Anaconda? Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of Python which is used for data science and machine learning. Now to install Anaconda, first of all you have to go to this website. I'll put this link in the description and the website will automatically detect your system. Now click download and the Anaconda setup will start downloading. Now the setup has downloaded. I'll open the setup. Click next. You have to agree the terms and conditions. Now here you can select who can use the files. I'll select it for just me here. You can select it for all users. Click next. Click next again. Now this is an important step. If you have already installed Python or Anaconda, you have to uncheck this. But if you haven't installed Python yet, you have to check this box. Now because I'm installing Python and Anaconda on this computer for the first time, I'll check this box. Click install. Please note that this installation can take a while to complete. Now the installation has successfully completed. Click next, next again, and click finish. It will open these tabs. We can close them. Now if you go to search bar and type in Anaconda, and we should be able to see this Anaconda prompt in the search bar. If you open that prompt, now in here if we type in Python version, and we can see that the Anaconda is installed and Python has also installed. This base means that this is the base environment. We can also create other virtual environments. I'll put the video link in the description on how you can create other virtual environments in Anaconda. Now let's move on to next steps. Now go to your browser again and open up this link. I'll give this link in the description. Now select your operating system on here. I'll select Windows, and then it will automatically start downloading the setup. The setup has downloaded. I'll open up the setup. Now you have to accept the agreement. Click next. Click next, next again, and if you want to create your desktop icon, you can select this. Click next and install. Now the setup has completed. Let's launch the Visual Studio Code. You can see that the Visual Studio Code has successfully downloaded. Now here you can select which theme do you want. I normally keep it light. Now you can go here and you can select create a new file in here. If you want a Jupyter Notebook file, you have to select this, and here you can start writing the code. Before you start writing the code, you have to make sure that you have installed the recommended extensions for Python. You can click here and install them. And here you can write something. And you can run the code here. You can see that the code is working now. So that's it for today. In the next video, I'll talk about the next steps of using Python in Visual Studio Code. I'll also put the link of other series that I'm working on in the description. If you face any issues, please write them in the comment section and I'll respond to your comment. Please subscribe to my channel for further updates. Have a good day.